man, why is that ski so dirty? You could have wiped it down at least.
Because it's been in storage, I haven't had a chance.
Oh my gosh.
I know.
I go, mine's a little dusty, but damn.
She's mad at me over that.
And then now you're getting a GTX and you're gonna really be ignoring her. Oh my gosh.
She'll still be my girl.
Uh-huh. What's up, y'all? I'm Aviana Zurin, and I'm here to bring you some more jet ski content, or should I say some more Sea-Doo content. So if you've been watching the channel, y'all know I have the 2019-2022 Sea-Doo GTX Limited, but I'm gonna actually show you in another video. And I did say clickbait, I was joking with it when I did the whole revamp of this ski, this lovely ski here, you know, removed all the brown and made it my own style. But today I'm gonna actually show y'all the 2022. Come on, come with me right here. And here it is. This is the 2022. What color is this again?
Black and liquid titanium.
Black and liquid titanium. It came out in two different colors, this color and sage green. Now here you go, right here. This is it. A lot of people ask, what comes in the GTX300 Limited? Well, let's give an example. If you have a car or anything and you want something fully loaded, this is the ski that you would get, okay? When I was doing a comparison, it was between an RXT or a GTX. I went with the GTX because some of the items I wanted on the RXT would have been cheaper for me to add it on to the GTX versus everything that I wanted on the GTX to be added on to the RXT. So let's give a walk around real quick. This Sea-Doo has a 1630 Ace motor with 300 horsepower, okay? It's fully loaded with IBR and IDF. IBR is the intelligent braking system. IDF is the instant debris free. Dang it! Intelligent debris free system, or whatever it is. I'll put the real name down below, but basically, if you get weeds stuck in here, all under here, in your intake, the drive shaft spins around in the opposite direction to free up the pump system and get you rolling again. So no more having to go underneath there or ruining the day by having to put it back on the trailer to free up whatever's stuck in there. It frees it up for you. What it also comes with is the boarding ladder. The boarding ladder does not come in the RXPs or RXTs or even the Wake Pros. It's only stock on a GTX Limited. Okay, and you have the IBR. This bucket goes down and up. That'll help with the braking system and reverse. You got your link system and the area to put your tow pile on if you want. And if y'all haven't seen what these link mounts are, the mounts are there to hold coolers, fuel caddy, storage compartments, just a whole bunch of little accessories that you can find either at your local dealership or on the Sea-Doo website. Look at this color. See, that's what I'm saying. It's the luxury model, but still fast. Now let's talk about this gauge right here. Hold on, let's see if we can get it out of the sun. Look at that. You have this button here that controls the dash and toggling through the dash. your IDF button. All you have to do is just push this button, and then it'll instruct you on the display of what you need to do and how to get the debris out of your pump system. And then you got your cruise control, your power button. Those are the, well, you have the buttons on your speaker system. The premium Bluetooth system is all included, but you won't even need these buttons anymore. From what I hear, you can operate right on the display with these buttons right here. No more having to bend over there. And then, if y'all don't know, you can also have this side as a GPS or playlist for the music. And then you have your display for your RPMs and your miles per hour. Let's see. Let's see. He's gonna toggle through for me. This is my lovely assistant, Brian. You got launch stats. Okay, so it has everything actually.
So it's got your trip A, trip B, and then total. So it's got all your stats. We have 2.16 hours.
Oh, 2.16. Way to go. And look, it even tells you, what is that?
39 miles today.
The digital, it's a, you know, this is so advanced. Look at that.
Average 20 gallons an hour.
And her max speed today was 65. She averaged at 17. There's more to it, guys. We just trying to figure it out still. But once you get this model, you can get your manual. The manual will be your best friend. And also, they have this information online on their instructbrpsomething.com website. Okay, you have your glove box here. It fits a phone, it fits keys, waterproof casing right here. I don't want to get my key fob wet or anything, so I always put my key in here. And it comes with a USB charger. Again, this is only seen in the Limited, where basically everything that you would see on all the other Sea-Doos will be on this one. Then you pull those levers to open the hatch, and look how much space is in here. This is what everybody loves. She's got her cover. The cover automatically comes with the ski also. Again, another GTX Limited incentive. And then your safety, what is this called again? The equipment, your little safety box, and your fire extinguisher. Then you get your lovely storage compartment divider. And then you can also get another accessory, but that doesn't come with it. You can put it inside there. It's a bag that drops in. And this is where you would easily fuel up. There she is right there. All right, so, and then we have the seats. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and they have this lovely hump area that prevents your passengers from sliding around, and this middle passenger can hold on to the strap. And from what I heard, Karina always says that the back seat is actually more comfortable to sit back there and hold on to the bars back there. All right, y'all, so we've got Natalie here. This is her first time riding the Sea-Doo GTX300. Well, in fact, on an ST3 platform. Normally she rides that ski that's right behind her, that GTR, but I told her it's gonna be a big difference when she gets on this. So, we're gonna have to get your input, your likes, your pros, your cons, which I doubt there's gonna be any cons. So we'll see about that.
I mean, I would have liked a prettier color.
Oh, a prettier color. Well, you're gonna get the sage one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, see? So she's giving this to Brian, and she's gonna take the sage.
No, they had another one, same color.
Oh, see, you should just be like, no, get the sage so I can have the sage. Yeah. But remember, you can always add a wrap to change the color, you see? Give it a year, and you'll be like another brand new ski in a year.
later.
All right, so now that we're in this no wake zone, and you got how many hours you got on that break-in? Only 2 hours still? Oh my gosh, you still got 3 more to go. All right, so what are your pros that you like about it compared to your GTR?
The biggest pro is it's more stable.
Okay.
So we're not rocking constantly,
Uh-huh.
side to side, or I feel like it would be much harder to get flipped off or fall off. Next would be the speed.
The speed, all right. Welcome to the 300 club.
Right, once you really get broken.
Uh-huh.
And then I like all the other controls. Like I can actually work my Bluetooth from up here instead of reaching.
Oh, nice. See, I don't even have that on my. See, I don't even have that option on my 2019. I gotta go over here.
I would definitely say I like the depth finder. It's a lot less nerve-wracking when you can realize,
Yeah.
oh crap, I'm in 2 feet, I gotta go.
Yep. Exactly. What about the storage?
The storage is nice. I love the big list because short people, we need the storage up front. We cannot fit.
Exactly. Y'all need to make all the models like that, because that's what I always said, that man, that's a big advantage of having the storage compartment.
That is huge because for short people, it was so hard that I would have to lift off the ground to grab my rope or anything.
Yep. And you just go in there and fill up too. It's right here.
Yes,
Yep.
that's very nice.
Did you like the ski?
Did you like the ski, Bodie? What?
Did you like it?
The ski better than the other one? The old one? Yeah,
Yeah.
like Uncle Michael's
The
one.
yellow one.
The other one. Is this more comfy? Speak up. You gotta speak to her.
What do you like about it? What do you like about that one? Yep. Oh, he likes the seat.
Oh,
He's pointing to the seat. He likes the seat better.
oh,
Yeah, they're a lot more comfortable. Yes.
yes, they are much more comfortable. And it holds you in better.
Oh, yes, it does.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. So are there any cons? Would you say there are any cons on this ski? You can be honest. You can be honest.
The smaller compartment for like your wallet boat keys,
Uh-huh.
that could be a tad bit bigger. but
Okay.
I don't think there's really any room for it.
Yeah. All right.
No, there's no cons to this.
Oh, so guys, she gives this ski, the GTX300, a thumbs up. The Limited, especially. So I always tell people that you get in the Cadillac version, the fully loaded. All right, y'all. So if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you have any other skis that you want me to walk around or ask people or even just get a comparison on, go ahead and comment down below. And also, if you're not subscribed, what are y'all waiting for? Make sure you hit that subscribe button. But until next time, see y'all on the water.